In divorce, can I keep what I brought into the marriage? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. This is a question that came up right before the holidays in 2020. A woman we met with was divorced from a previous relationship 15 years ago, and as part of that divorce, she got about $250,000 from the sale of some real estate. Right after her divorce, she started a relationship with the man that she's married to now, and she's now going to divorce this man, and she's concerned that she will not get a credit for that $250,000 that she brought into this marriage and into this relationship. So the question is, does she get a credit for that? Do you get a credit for premarital assets? The way that this works is that generally all property owned by either party, whether individually or jointly, whether premarital or acquired during the marriage, is technically in the marital pot for division. Now, whether it actually gets divided and how depends on a number of different factors. Let's start with this. The only way to get close to full protection for premarital assets is a prenuptial agreement, what's known as a prenup. If you do not have a prenup, then by default, everything that you own is in the marital pot. Now, that's not the end of the story, because again, whether the property actually gets divided depends on the specific facts of the case. And the factor that I think is most important is the length of the marriage in determining whether premarital property is divided in divorce. So if you've only been married for 3 years and you're getting divorced and you brought a substantial amount of money into this relationship, then there is a pretty good chance that you are going to get a credit for what you brought in. The judge is not going to divide, in most cases, all of your property, including your premarital property, in such a short-term marriage. On the other hand, if you were married for 20 plus years and you brought some money into that relationship, it is much more difficult without a prenup to get credit for what you brought into a marriage of that length. So will you get credit for premarital property? It depends on the facts of your case. The longer the marriage, the less likely it is that you will get any credit absent a prenup. If you have any other questions on this, you can call us at 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. You can find us on Facebook at Farias Family Law. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Thank you. Have a good day.